In this video, I'm going to show you how to bring back the status vertical style in WhatsApp. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open your WhatsApp application. Now you want to go to the update section right here. And as you can see, the thing that makes this update section horizontal is that because of your followed channels. So as you can see, the followed channels is in horizontal. So to revert it back to the vertical style, what you want to do is simply unfollow or leave the channels that you followed. So just tap right here and tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and simply select unfollow. Now you just want to do this to all of the channels you followed. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe.